Welcome back to the only game where we ask a billion-dollar corporate question. Are you
smarter than Sai?
Today's challenge is a classic boardroom brainbuster. Teams, tell us why Q4 sales were down and what we can do to bring them up again. Let's get cracking.
I'll pull the CRM data.
Let's cross-reference that with the PDF.
It's 140 pages.
I'll Slack the data team for a custom dashboard.
Tell them we need it ASAP. But you know they're gonna want a ticket.
Oh.
Sai rings in. Talk to me, Sai.
Supply chain delays in EMEA caused widespread stockouts. To recover, we should reallocate our Q1 marketing spend to push overstocked inventory in the APAC region.
Bingo! And you didn't even open a spreadsheet. Sai wins it again, folks. But we'll try it again next time, right here on Are You Smarter Than Sai?